Hello students. Now today I am going to explain third bit onwards. Exercise 1.3, first and second two bits completed. I given homework. I think all of you did. And third problem. Find x plus y divided with x minus y. He is giving x plus y divided with x minus y. But in that two problems is there once again. X and y values he changed. In first problem x value is 5 by 2 and y value is minus 3 by 4. In second problem x is equals to 1 by 4, y equals to 3 by 2. In first which one is that I am showing, next second one you have to do. Okay, carefully listen, that is very easy problem. If x is equals to 5 by 2, y is equals to minus 3 by 4 is there. So in solution we have to substitute x and y value in this equation. Okay, in this solution what he given is said to find now, in that we are substituting. For that reason x plus y is there and x minus y is there. These two separately find and divide. Okay, first we are finding x plus y. X plus y is means 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4. Minus y came because y is equals to minus 3 by 4 is there. Okay, that's why we wrote minus 3 by 4. Now 5 by 2 plus into minus 3 by 4. 2 and 4 LCM. 2 and 4 LCM means how much will come? 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Once again LCM is equals to 2 into 2 is 4. Otherwise cross multiplication do that also same will come. Now LCM is 4. Now 2 table 4 when will come? 2 2 ja. So 5 numerator into 2 2 ja 4, that's why 2. Minus 4 table 4 1 ja. So 3 into 1. This is one process. Or multiply 2 into 4 cross multiplication. 5 into 4 minus 3 into 2. 5 4 ja 20. 3 2 ja 6 by 4 2 ja 8. Okay, cleared? 5 by 2 minus 3 by 4 plus into minus is there, that's why minus 3 by 4 came. So 5 by 2 and minus 3 by 4 is there, means there we are doing fraction subtraction. So denominators 2 into 4, numerator cross multiplication 5 into 4 and 3 into 2. Otherwise this is another form is there, LCM. Like this follow or this one follow, as a wish, answer same will be there. 20 minus 6 is 14 by 8. Here 14 and 8, which table will go? Any possibility is there? Yes, 2 are even numbers. 14 and 8 are 2 even numbers. Even numbers will go in 2 divisibility. 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14. 7 by 4 is the x plus y. Okay, x plus y is equals to 7 by 4. Now x minus y. X minus y is, x is equals to once again 5 by 2 minus y is equals to minus 3 by 4. 5 by 2 minus into minus plus 3 by 4. Once again LCM addition is there here. 2 4 ja 2 into 4 cross multiplication. 5 into 4 plus 3 into 2, that is 5 4 ja 20, 3 2 ja 6 by 2 4 ja 8. 26 by 8. 26 and 8 are even number, that's why it is divisible by 2 table. 2 4 ja 8, 2 13 ja 26. 13 by 4 is the x minus y value. Okay, x minus y is 3 by 4. X plus y is 7 by 4. Now he said to find x plus y divided by x minus y. X plus y how much came? From 1 9 2. X plus y is 7 by 4 divided by x minus y is 13 by 4. When we are doing division, last year in 7th class we learnt, when we are doing division, denominator which are divided by number is becomes reciprocal. Yes, no? Division become multiplication, then that number becomes reciprocal. 13 by 4 reciprocal, 4 by 13. Now 7 into 4, when doing multiplication in fractions, product of numerator by product of denominators. 4 cancel, 7 by 13 is the answer. Therefore x plus y divided by x minus y is equals to how much came? 7 by 13. Okay, clear? When he asked x plus y divided by x minus y, first we are finding x plus y value. X plus y means which is the x value, then y value we are substituting. In middle two signs are there, that's why plus into minus minus. Here do fraction subtraction, you will get the answer 7 by 4. Okay, either you follow LCM method, either this one, as your wish. Two methods are there. Okay, next x plus y you got. Now x minus y. X minus y means once again you have to substitute x value and y value. In that middle subtraction is there. Once again two signs came, minus into minus plus. Then you have to do addition fraction. You will get the answer 13 by 4. That too we have to do division because he asked. That's why we are doing division. X plus y value 7 by 4, x minus y value 13 by 4. Then division means the division converting into multiplication, that denominator number becomes reciprocal. Then do cancellation, you will get the answer. In the second one is there x is equals to and y equals to another values he given, that you have to do homework. Now come to second problem. Divide the sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 by the product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. So here he clearly in sentence form he said we are converting into mathematical form, that is symbolically first in solution. That is our first procedure. Okay, first step. And when we converted one by one, how to find the answer. Now when we are converting into symbolical form, divide the sum of sum of means addition, minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. Yes, no? Divide by the which number? Product of. Product means into which numbers? Minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. This is the question. Okay, if you understood, like this, right? Otherwise here to start. Sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7 is equals to minus 13 by 5 plus 12 by 7. Okay, next once again product is there. Product of minus 13 by 7 and minus 1 by 2. This 2r is there. When we got two answer, once again we have to do division. In before problem he only x plus y, x minus y like that given. But here sentence form given. Sum of by the product of. Product means into. That is the only change. Okay. So if you are getting like this or like this doing, okay. Okay. Now here too. Sum of minus 13 by 5 addition doing. When you are doing addition 5 and 7. 5 and 7 are prime number, that's why 5 into 7 only LCM. Now cross multiplication. Minus 13 into 7 plus big, right? Otherwise you will confuse. 12 into 5. Minus 13 7 ja minus 91 plus 12 5 ja 60 by 5 7 ja 35. That is equals to minus 91 plus 60. How much? Minus 31 by 35. 31 prime number, so cancellation not possible, like that only keep. Now product of another sentence given product of means minus 13 by 7 into minus 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus 13 1 when we are doing products of numerator divided by product of denominators. 13 1 ja 13, 17 2 ja 14. We got two answers. He said to divide first one minus 31 by 5 by 13 by 14. That is equals to minus 31 by 35 divided by 13 by 14. Now division becomes multiplication. Then it becomes reciprocal. Okay, division converting into multiplication means 13 by 14 reciprocal, 14 by 13 we have to write. Now multiply. Numerators are multiplying divided by denominators multiplying. Now 13 and 31 will not possible. 13 table, 14 also not possible. But 14 and 35 will go in 7 table. 7 2 ja 14, 7 5 ja 35. Minus 31 into 2 by 5 into 13. That is minus 62 by 65 is the answer. Okay. Once revising, see, either like this writing or here to starting, nothing will happen problem. Divide the sum of said, that's why I am writing first sentence, sum of minus 13 by 5 and 12 by 7. This two sum of and replace, we are doing sum. Sum means addition. In fraction addition doing means have to do LCM or cross multiplication, like that. Do any two methods are there, any follow, write neatly. Okay, when you are doing addition, 5 and 7 prime number, that's a 5 into 7 is denominator, cross multiplication 13 7 ja 5 12 ja, you will get minus 91 plus 60 by 35. Minus 91 plus 60 is 1 plus 1 minus is the, that way how to do subtraction, that is minus 31 by 35. Okay, next product of also given. So product means into, which one? Minus 13 by 7 into minus 1 by 2. Minus 13 by 7 into minus 1 by 2 means minus 31, minus 13 into minus 1, minus into minus plus. Okay, 13 into 1 by 7 into 2, denominator multiply. Okay, 13 into 1 is 13, 7 2 ja 14, 13 by 14, that is product. We got product and sum, but he said to divide. Divide means first number which one we got, that to second number have to divide. That division, we are keeping division. When doing division in second step it will go multiplication. When multiplication converting means the denominator becomes reciprocal. 13 by 14 becomes 14 by 13. Here any cancellation is possible means do cancellation, you will get the answer. Okay, so easy problem. Step by step slowly do. Important problem also.
Okay, teacher.